am Abha Aggarwal. I am trained as a fashion designer. I find great inspiration from Indian textile handicrafts, and I have traveled extensively. I have lived with craftsmen in various craft clusters around India. Roam Room is a journey that started 3 months ago but has been brewing all my life. It started out of a kitchen while I was exploring natural dyes, and natural dyes extracted from plant parts like flowers, barks and leaves, and food waste essentially from onion peels, pomegranate peels, from flowers left over or flowers that are discarded from temples. I've been exploring natural dyeing for the last 2 years. It's a lingerie and intimate wear and apparel brand. We reimagine lingerie and intimate wear with Indian ethos. Ever since I've started my natural dyeing journey, I've interacted with so many people who had no idea how to get colors out of plants, and people just always get amazed when I share whatever I have learned in the years about natural dyeing. And so happened with this batch where we explored a lot of techniques like eco printing, bundle dyeing, and also creating a dye bath out of Indian rhubarb. So the results that you see have been crazy abstract patterns of all the colors, and everything is out of natural dyes, which is always a thing of amazement for people who have never tried it. I hope they take it forward and they understand that how beautiful a natural palette can be, and how well it complements the skin also. The more we share, the more we learn about this natural dyeing, then only we'll be able to apply it and also replace the chemical toxicity that has entered the environment now. To alter it, we need to keep sharing these learnings and keep experimenting, keep coming up with new ways of using these plant dyes to completely replace chemical dyes and the need for it also. Also, we need the marketing side to focus on why this is important and why it is priced at where it is priced, because a lot of work goes into making this garment. And so I feel like these people also need to understand how these products are made, because sometimes fashion business students are completely disconnected from the craft side of the process. I feel like pandemic really encouraged the idea of workshops and online connectivity so much that even I have studied with so many artisans from the craft clusters around India, and they were so happy to share their knowledge with us. The more we understand and the more we connect with the artisans and bring them into the forefront of tackling this issue, I feel like that's the way forward. And even people from different spheres who had no idea about crafts now know about it, because the craftsmen have that platform now to come online, to connect with the greater audience, to connect with everybody, and we can directly buy products from them now, which is I feel a great beginning of something something that looks like a solution to whatever we are facing.